How to log in to your Kick account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Kick account. In order to log in to your Kick account, make sure you have already created an account on Kick. Once you have done that, then open your Kick application on your mobile device. And once you open the application, here at the top right, you'll be able to locate two different options, login and sign up. Go ahead and tap on this login option and then you will be presented with the login interface. Here now you will need to use your email or username and password in order to log in to your account. Tap on this first text box and here enter your email address associated to your account. And once after entering the email address, now tap on the second text box and there enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also tap on this forgot password link at the right bottom of your password box and then you will need to follow the instructions in order to reset your password. And after resetting your password, enter your new password in this field and then tap on this login button. Once after tapping on this login button, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code and once you receive it, you will need to enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, now it will start verifying the code. And after successful verification, you will see you have successfully been logged in to your Kick account. Simply tap on the icon at the top right and then there you'll be able to see you have successfully logged in to your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Kick account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.